you talked about nature. Nature is so vast. और नेचर में आप ये कह सकते हैं कि नेचर में भी हमारे पास कुछ रॉ डेटा मौजूद है, which I think pretty well everyone knows कि archaeologists and other researchers ने इस पे बहुत सारा काम भी किया, और इसी तरीके से ये जो civilizations का काम है सब ये हमारे सामने आया. और उसमें स्पेशली टू मेंशन the pyramids and all the other aspects, other monuments. Even I would like to say that as they currently call it, the megalith structures, बड़े structures unexplainable भी हैं, कुछ उसमें खुश्की पे हैं, कुछ some are underwater, submerged. And the basic thing is that nothing in this universe is meaningless. Everything has a meaning, and I personally believe that everything in this universe, including the universe, it's alive. Very much alive. I have my own reasons. वो जब भी हम course of things में जब हम discuss करेंगे, तो I would go. Right now we have some knowledge, I would say. Not limited knowledge, but some knowledge. इसमें से कुछ piece of knowledge जो है वो decipher किया जा चुका है, और कुछ अभी तक decoded form में नहीं है. अब ज़रूरत इस अमर की है कि उसको decode कैसे किया जाए, उसे समझा कैसे जाए. I mean, I would like to mention here the old Sumerian texts, the tablets that everyone knows. जो इस subject को समझते हैं and who are the followers, they know that there have been mysteries, and those mysteries are currently, many of them are under the carpet. Now it would need someone to basically blow that carpet off the ground, or sweep that carpet off the ground, so that हमें पता चले कि क्या है. इसकी एक सबसे बड़ी मिसाल, if I may pronounce it properly, Göbekli Tepe, Turkey में एक monument site है जिसको and some say that it's not quite recent. I mean, they knew it, and they were kind of excavating it since the 1940s.
So interest is more recent.
हाँ, तो वो interest की बात है. तो some nations are quite alive to that. और मैंने इसीलिए आपके सामने ये मिसाल रखी Indus civilization की, जो कि I mean, I was looking into it and came to know that almost 440 cities basically अभी तक जो कि researched हैं, और उसके अलावा ये कि the capital was planned in a way which no other civilization had that kind of sophistication know-how to build something.
A planned city.
Very, very planned. And I was intrigued, and I was really fascinated by a report which said that they had, they constructed it above the surface so that nothing gets disturbed. The water belt से ताकि उसको सेव करके, और ग्राउंड से above कैसे उन्होंने लिफ्ट किया होगा. See, that's the kind of
elevation. हालांकि आजकल का बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज है रियल एस्टेट में, but they managed to
decode it back, right? अच्छा, now coming back to the cosmos, I mean, you know what, I'm of that age group, and उस जमाने में तो हम खैर बहुत religiously देखते थे, and which
sci-fi shows में
Cosmos by Carl Sagan. And that character is a legend in his own way, right? And I don't know कि थोड़ा सा मतलब मुझे ये कह लो कि कंसर्न भी है, शिकायत तो मैं नहीं कहूँगा, लेकिन मुझे कंसर्न है कि हमारे यहाँ पाकिस्तान में स्पेसिफिकली why do we not talk about things which are from kind of an alternative source of knowledge. I know we have produced, and you also know, and the audience as well, that we have produced some brilliant minds over the period of time, you know. But I think to some extent the ownership and recognition problems, and somehow I think शायद उन साइंसेस को उस फ्रेमवर्क में नहीं लिया गया.